Hello everyone. I just want to show you the experience I had during my visit to Mumbai, Infocom India, almost 3 years back, 2019 actually this was, and you could able to see the active LED wall. That is the LED wall, outdoor LED wall, and the lot of brightness. Even in the morning time also you could able to see the content. You can read the content. And this is a platform where a lot of OEMs, audio and video related OEMs comes and they showcase their products and offering, and the importers and exporters as well. So I just want to show you one of the company, prominent company, Epson, which is pioneer in the world offering LED solutions, LED wall solutions for indoor and outdoor. Now this is the stall I had visited. You could see a lot of different types of LED walls they have. This is one of it. Poster one, kiosk one. Uh, See it again, the brightness, the colors, the finishing of the product. Aesthetically, it looks really professional and elegant. See the backside of this poster, kiosk, you would say. Customization can also be happened for these posters. So you have different type of brightness pixels. And the left hand side asymmetric leg means like without the shape, that is the one, and the back side some themes are running. You could see the Epson one. Right hand side C138. This product they have the fixed LED wall, where in which they generally offer for the presentation application room. You could see the content, small content also you can read if you go nearby. The finishing of the product you could able to see. It's so professional. Make obviously quality does matter. If the company is one of the prominent in the world, they have to deliver the best to best offers. You could see the brightness again. You can see the clarity also. High resolutions, 4K it supports. Various sizes you will get if you want the customization. Generally, you know what happened. Beyond 98 inches, 100 inches, you won't get LED displays or some TVs. So you must have to go with video walls, LCD based video wall. But again, you have to compromise with the bezel. But if you buy active LED, fixed one or maybe the customized one, so you won't find any bezels. A big wall wherein you can have your presentations effectively. So this is all about now the sizes are different. Now it is 130, 120, 110. Thanks for watching this.